Bring it back.
Good morning, Panthers. Welcome back to the WPNN.
This is Big Christian and my name is Sofia, and it's a bellissimo day to be a Panther. That means we're beautiful.
Panthers, are you interested in softball? There will be a softball information meeting for interested players.
The softball meeting will be next Wednesday, November 15 at 3 p.m. in room 2123.
An announcement from our guidance department. They will be sponsoring a lunch bunch game time during lunches.
For more information, see the counselor at lunch.
Make plans to attend our boys' first soccer game today at MCC. Game starts at 5:30.
Students, even though there is no school on Friday, rest up and plan to attend the first round of state playoffs this Friday night.
The game begins at 7 p.m. here at Heritage. Come out and support your team.
Remember, Panthers are respectful, responsible, and prepared.
Go
Big
Big Blue!
Blue!